Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Tumi Jessica Surumula. Oh my god, this hair. Jessica Surumula on social media platforms and in the streets. They call me Tumi Jess. And yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We don't know how far this one is gonna go, if it's a vlog or a day in my life, or I'm just taking footage for now and then I'm gonna compile it at the end. However, today I made a big girl purchase. I bought a fridge, a bigger fridge than the one I've had, because wow, I've had a student fridge for so long and I'm in my working era, girl. I need something bigger, something with substance, something with, you know. But anyway, it's not a double fridge and stuff, but it's a fridge. It's a bigger fridge. Anyway, yeah, come with me. Maybe I'll take you guys while we unbox the fridge, and then yeah, this battery is low actually. So let me stop talking and then start taking more footage. But anyway, for now, do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen. Night is alright. I'm feeling alone again. Every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding. It must be love. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's never had a ride. Hold you from my hand. So tight, coming closer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a day after you saw the unboxing of my new fridge. I'm in my grown girl era. I'm making grown girl purchases. I'm not playing around, child. Now it's the age where you need to, like, you know, start buying grown people stuff. Grown, you know, I don't know if it makes sense, but anyway. Yeah, on my previous video I was unboxing my new fridge, and then yeah, I'll keep this vlog for unboxing and etc. And then today we have a Shein haul. I ordered about a week ago, and goddamn, customers are so ridiculous right now. My order was like 1.4. However, I paid 500 for customs, like 500 for customs. So that means my order was like what, 2,000. But anyway, let's get into it. So for the first item, it's a dress, the popular dress that's trending on TikTok. This dress is so fire, ne? Body, man. And I'm featuring my body next month. Like, this dress is so fire. Like, guys, who fire? Who busy, man? Who busy? What's happening now? Anyway, it's a wool dress. It's very popular on Twitter, on TikTok right now at the moment. Yeah. On TikTok right now at the moment. As I edit, I'll try to put the pictures here as well, just so you can have an idea of how it looks. This is in a size medium. I really hope it fits. I think you wear it this way, not the way I put it. I really hope it fits. but it needs body, it needs flat stomach girlies, you know. And I'm definitely gonna fetch my flat stomach. So yeah. Second purchase, these are leggings. These are leggings. I needed leggings for the house, you know, in black and in beige, also in a size medium. I hope they fit. I was tempted to take a small, right, but I was just like, I don't know, I hope they fit. So I want them tight, so I just hope they really like fit the way I want them to fit. And yeah, as I explained, I really want to go back to gym, and this video is part of me taking accountability that I'll be going back. So yeah, this is in black. Everybody needs a black legging in their wardrobe. I'm feeling so foolish, but let me just unbox this quickly. What is this? This is in a medium, but I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a shirt. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I thought this was a silky shirt. It's like a off the shoulder type of shirt. It's long sleeve and it's grey. I actually wanted this top for one of my pants. If you watched my previous videos, you'll see them. I have grey work pants that I got from H&M, and this will go so well with it for work, particularly, not for fashion and stuff. But yeah, basically a plain grey tee off the shoulder, and then it's in a size medium as well. Ooh, yes, this is one of my favorites. I think I might wear this during the weekend actually. This is one of my favorites. This is basically like one of those shirts, tops, and then they have like these things go all the way down, but it's like a top. But where's the front? Where's the, what's the color? Oh, it sits like this and then it goes further down, basically. Love it. Then it has a flower detail here on the shoulder. I'll probably figure out how it fits when I wear it, but so far, love it. But it's so see-through also. How do these, hey, it's so see-through. I'm wondering how I'm gonna put this on, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, I've seen the girlies styling this with jeans and high heels, so that's my vibe. And then I got a black dress, a black formal dress. Oh, but this looks so small. Oh my god. Oh, lele. It looks so tiny. What size is this? Why did I take a small? Hey. Well, I was being very ambitious because this fits as a top and not as a dress. But I'll see when I'm fitting them, like how it will sit. But I'd probably use it as a top and not a dress, because wow, this is meant to be a dress but already here. Next item. Sorry, I don't want this to be long and boring. I'm just going through it quickly. Oh, next item is packs of 4 tees, plain t-shirt. I wanted a white t-shirt, plain t-shirt, especially for work, to style with formal pants. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have something like this, but I left it back home. I'm so upset with myself, and I know when I go there I'm not gonna find it. So yeah, I just had to get it again, but at least I could replace with this bargain. I'm so upset with this dress actually, because I was expecting, like, I wanted to wear it somewhere. I don't know what's this. Oh, this is a two-piece. This is a two-piece. This is the top of the two-piece, and then this is the skirt. It's giving flat tummy babies, it's giving December babies, it's giving let's go out. But yeah, I also love this. It's stretchy material, so I'm not upset. I just hope it's not too see-through, you know, for the bums and stuff. But yeah, I'll make it work. I'll make it work. I'm not upset. I'm just upset with the dress because it looked so big on the reviews and stuff, but only to, yeah, you shocked? You shocked you? Oh, and then I have this. Ooh, this also looks small. A waistcoat. A waistcoat. This I got. It's actually perfect. It's not small. This I got for work also, for pants. I have brown pants, and then I can just rotate it with this when I go to work and stuff. And then I think this is the last item. Really, me and small stuff. Who do I think I am? Huh? These are those trendy dresses. Here at the bottom it has ruffles, and then it's white on top. It's very short, but yeah, I'll see when I put it on. But yeah, this is the dress. It looks very short already, and I'm a big honey. I'm a big girl, so yeah. Some of the things here, especially the dresses. I'm happy about everything, but the dresses, they're stressing me out already. But anyway, that's the end of my my haul. And then yeah, I'll see how I end this vlog. I'll probably take you guys with on Sunday and then end it on Sunday. It's my nephew. Is it niece or nephew? It's her birthday on Sunday. I'll probably wear one of these outfits. I don't know what. But the theme is actually, is it white and blue, white and green? I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. But I'll see how I style one of these just to incorporate it with, like, just to be in theme with the whole party. But anyway, thank you guys for watching thus far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ah. This is Kimor. Eh, third floor. Oh, learn some this is Kiman. So what's it? Yeah. So guys, I finally got a mirror. That is big yet affordable and also aesthetically pleasing. Big girl purchases, darling. But anyway, come with me as we unwrap this mirror. It's been here for like 3 days now, and I've just been so lazy to unwrap it. But let me just give you a quick peek of where it is right now. This is where the mirror is. This is my study desk. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this is the mirror. That's my couch over there. This is the mirror. It still has the plastic on, hence why the blurriness and stuff. But yeah, this is the mirror. Let's unwrap. So beautiful. So denuded. Looks fantastic. 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 But anyway, if you want me to plug you, the mirror is from, it's very big actually. This video is not doing it justice. The mirror is from Mr. Price Home. Was 1.6. It's a very big mirror. Very aesthetic like. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the study desk, but it has to go or be moved a little bit. But yeah, this is the end of my vlog. Please do continue supporting, even though I'm not consistent. Please do continue supporting. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.